Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can properly handle these hydration errors inside your Next.js application. So let's get started. Alright, before we get into fixing this error, let's see what is hydration and what are the original reasons behind this hydration error. So basically, hydration is a phase that React converts the pre-rendered HTML from server into an interactive app. And as you can see inside React documentation, it's mentioned that the rendered content needs to be identical with the server rendered content here in caveat section. We can see that Vue.js also has a hydration phase that's doing the same job in server-side Vue applications. So now we can understand why we get hydration errors. Well, basically, whenever we have a mismatch between the React tree pre-rendered on the server and the client version, we get a hydration error. Alright, here I have a Next.js application running on localhost port 3000, and I'm going to make a change to see the hydration error in action. So if I try to add a nested A tags in my page.tsx file and try to reload my application, and we have no way that we can properly inspect the root causing this error here. So the call stack is not properly showing the files and the differences between the rendered version on the server and the client. This is why we are going to use hydration overlay to help us understand this error and the root that is causing this error in our application. It's actually going to show us the client rendered version and the server rendered version of our code, and we can clearly inspect the root that is causing this error. So now let's install it. Now head over to layout.tsx, the root layout of Next.js app, and we need to wrap our children inside hydration overlay provider. Let's save, and next head over to Next.config file, and we need to import with hydration overlay from the package. And you need to use a with hydration overlay to export a new default. Alright, here if we try to reload our app, you can see our error message is completely changed, and we can clearly see which part is causing this hydration error and the difference between the client and the server version in our application. It's super helpful when you have a complex, large application and you suddenly run into a hydration issue and you need to figure out which part is causing this, and you want to fix as soon as possible. And also, if we try to remove this part and hit save and reload, you can see the error is gone and we're good to go. Alright guys, if you need to learn more about the hydration errors, you can head over to nextjs.org/docs messages React hydration error and read more about the cases that you might run into this error, and there's also a common iOS issues that you might face in your application. And I hope this video was helpful to you, and I will see you in the next videos.